and functions, chapter number 2. So students, as I discussed with you, that was absolute reference and relative reference. I said to you what was reference. Reference basically reference is a cell address or range of the cell, and relative reference, if you write the cell address normally, then it is called relative reference. It basically it will change when you will move from row wise, or if you move row wise or column wise, then it values will be relatively changed. What are the absolute reference? So absolute reference basically is a fixed, that means if you do not want to change the value, if you do not want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula, that means if you move from from row wise or column wise, and if you do not want to change the formula, then you use absolute reference. And next one is mixed reference. So as the name suggests you, mixed reference is having both the combination of relative reference and absolute reference. So let me write here something for you. Suppose I have some numbers 12. Wait, so that I can increase something for you. Okay, 12, then 13, 12, 34, 46. So these are the numbers I have. Then what happened? And I went to, I have some another number, like the same number. If I compute the same number, then this number will be this. And I want here the addition of these numbers. So I said to you how you will apply the addition. Sum equal to, you will write the range, then column, and this range, then this one, enter button. Then you get the answer, and you just uh, stretch it. You will get the all every answers. But students, as you are able to see here, that when you that means stretching it this autofill, then this all the additions will be done. That means the addresses of row wise is changing. But if I multiply the, suppose I have a I want to sum, but I want to multiply each and every cells by this cell. So how you will write this one? And just you will write STM, you will write the range like this, colon, you will write the range like this, then you will write multiply, then after that you will multiply by this number. But f5 f and 5 is relative reference. If you increase this to downside, then f will be changed to, f will not be changed, because f change when you will move to the to the column wise, but 5 will be changed. But if you want to fix these values, so if you will then you will apply, you must apply a dollar sign. What you will apply? A dollar sign. So dollar will be here. So you people are able to see this. What you people are able to see this, that means that means the rows, the columns is having dollar sign, and the rows is not having the dollar sign. So basically if one cell, it can be column, it can be rows, is will have the dollar sign, then then it is called mixed referencing. Okay, so the press enter button. So I'm sorry, something is wrong over here. This is m%, and I said dollar sign, this one, enter. You got 0. How you got 0? Multiply e dollar 5. So sum f4 plus g4, f4 plus g4, 24, multiply E$5. So E$5, I think this one, let me increase this number. I think some problems is having. Let me do some other place. Do not worry, you will get the answer. Do not have any problem. I will be I'm here, so I will do the things, correct things for you. Sum, addition, column, addition of this range, then multiply this column. So if you press enter button, then you get 34, and if you increase this one, then what happened? What happened? This time it was just see the formula F5. If you are here, then this will be F6, F7, F8. So this is F9. So basically F9 is here, so that's why F9 it doesn't have any value. It will have by default 0 values. So after addition it will multiply by 0, so it gives 0 result. But what happened if I apply here dollar sign? Okay, that means this one, and sum F4G4 multiply F$5. This one F$5. So what happened? Let me execute first. This is executed, and in just stage it. Okay, so it's working fine. So every time this add, then multiply this F5, then again add, then multiply this F5, add this one, then multiply F5. So this is mixed reference. Mixed reference means adding the numbers and multiplying by the number which are fixed as by the column wise or by the row wise. But if the column and rows are both fixed, then it is called absolute reference. Next come to the circular reference. So a circular reference occurs when a formula in a cell reference to its own cell value directly or indirectly. So for example, if I take example, if you enter the formula equal to A1 plus A2 multiply A3 in the cell A2, you are making the formula to refer its own cell value. That means the formula which is made by its cell address. Suppose if I want to make the formula like this, that means this is K2. So if I make the formula like equal to this address plus this particular address. What is the particular address? K4 K4 multiply 3. So this gives 0 because K4 doesn't have any value. So but this is circular reference. So A1 plus A2 multiply 3 in the cell A2, you are making the formula to refer its own cell value, which is not possible. A warning has shown that the warning came when I was entering the button. Given on the next page will be displayed in such a case. As soon as you click on the OK button of the warning dialog box, 0 will be entered in the cell containing formula. So this will gives you 0. The status bar will also notify you that circular reference is found in the work week and will display the cell address. So you know the circular reference. If listen once more time, a circular reference occurs when a formula in a cell refers when a formula in a cell refers to its own cell value directly or indirectly. When a circular reference occurs when a formula in a cell refers, then that means if you are writing a formula in a cell which are having its own cell address, that means if I am having this P6, if I am having P6 in P6 and I am writing any formula and that formula is having the P6 cell address, then it is called circular reference.